Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are filming a very simple, easy, sparkly makeup look. I think this is perfect for tons of different occasions. It's not tons of sparkle, but the good thing with sparkle, you can always control how much you want to add. This is the perfect amount of subtle sparkle for someone like me. So if you like this look, you want to see how I got it, please keep on watching. So the first thing we're going to do is just lightly prime our eyes. I'm just going in with a little bit of Max Elaine Low Paint Pot and just going to set it with a little bit of powder that's still on my brush. Okay, so today's palette we are going to be using is Dominique Cosmetics. This is the Unconditional palette. The colors just look really pretty, very soft, I just really like these colors, just very romantic, and I think it's going to be perfect for what we're trying to create. So I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is Warm Hearted, using a nice little fluffy brush. And I'm just going to work this into the crease. I'm also going to go slightly above also. I kind of want to just blow out this color, just kind of lightly feathering it up into the brow area, just in the inner part. And then pull out just a little bit. I'm going to keep it building this until I'm happy with it. I'm going to put more product on the outer edges. I just want to keep this very soft. And that should be good right there. So whatever product is left over on my brush, I'm just going to lightly tap into the center on the lid. And now I'm going to go in with, I think I'm going to use a Soul, and I'm going to add that right in the center of the lids. Just on top of that, I'm going to just really pack that on and keeping most of the focus on the inner area right here. And I'm just using tapping motions because I really want to pack this on. I'm not bringing this all the way up into my crease. I'm kind of just leaving it low because I'm going to go in with this glitter later. This is the placement I placed that shimmer shade. I kind of just kept it right over here and low on the lid. And I'm just going to go back in with Warm Hearted, but this time I'm going to mix in this color, which is a Jaden. I'm just going to get a different brush and just mix both of those colors together. I'm going to use just a very small amount of Jaden, and we're just going to work that into the outer V right here. And just like that. I'm going to deepen this up just a little more. Going back in with Warm Hearted, taking a little bit more, just really tapping that. I'm going to just blend a little bit right here, and I'm going to work the rest into this area, focusing on top of that shimmer shade. But I'm not going to bring it any higher. I don't want to touch this part. Now I'm going to clean off that brush. And I'm just going to buff just lightly. I don't want any harsh lines. And just pull this out just a little. Going in with Warm Hearted again, we're just going to use a smaller little fluffy brush, and I'm just going to work this on the lower lash line. I'm really liking this color. I'm not really sure if I want it to be really dark. So we're just going to start off with this color. Cleaning off the bigger fluffy brush that I used on the top, and I'm just going to lightly buff the lower lash line. I just want to really take my time and blend this out a little and just diffuse the color. I'm going to go back in with that shade Soul and a little bit of Love Light, and I'm going to just add a small amount right in the inner corner and just bring a little bit down here, like that. Now we're just going to go in with eyeliner. I'm going to tightline with this Essence Kajal pencil in the shade Teddy. And I'm also going to run this on the lower lash line. I'm going to go pretty heavy-handed with this. It's a really pretty brown with some sparkle. I kind of wish I had a burgundy eyeliner because I think that would really make this look pop. But we're just going to use what we have. Just run that on the top. So because I think I want to darken under the eyes a little bit, I'm going to add a little Warm Hearted and Jaden, mix it together. Kind of just work this onto the eyeliner. Kind of want to give it a burgundy plum tone. I'm going to clean up this eyeliner just a little. It's not wet. It's more on the dry side, but I just want to make it just look a little neater. Now back to the eyes. I think I want to go in with that glitter now, and I think I'm just going to use my fingers. I don't want to use tons. And I'm going to keep this in the center, and I'm going to bring this above into the upper crease. And I'm doing the same thing to the other side. I'm going to go in with a little more glitter, and this time I'm just going to pack a little more in the center and leaving less glitter as it's going higher. I'll take a little bit and I'm just going to add it right in the center. The glitter seems like it's sticking pretty well, but on the lower lash line it's not sticking the best, so I'm just going to take a little bit of clear brow gel. I think just a very small amount. I'm taking a very tiny amount and just tapping it right in the center here. This is where I want the glitter. Brow gel works really well for helping your glitter adhere. And now going back in with the chunkier glitter from this palette, I'm going to just tap a little bit. I also don't want to get this too close to my eyes. Okay, so I think that's pretty good. I'm just going to clean up any fallout underneath. Going to curl our lashes. Going in with my Essence Lash Princess mascara. This one is the Curl and Volume one. Do a few coats on the lashes. I think I need a new mascara. This is pretty dry. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in with another mascara since that one was really dry. This is another Essence mascara. It's the I Heart Extreme. It's the Crazy Volume mascara, the one that comes in the pink container. And I'm just gonna coat these lashes. Kind of liking the way my natural lashes are looking, so I'm not sure if I want to do lashes today. And I'm going to go in with a little blush. This is the Tarte Exposed. It's a really nice mauve. And bring this pretty high up. I'm going to go in with a little brightening powder. This is the Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder. I'm just going to add this right here. Whatever left over on my brush, I'm just going to pull into my blush. A more diffused look. I'm just adding a little bit just in the center of my face. Going back in with the blush brush, I'm just going to melting everything together. I'm gonna go on with my Anastasia and Amazing highlighter. I'm just gonna add a very small amount of this to my nose. Right here. I'm also going to add a little bit right here. Tiny bit right here, and I'm just going to use my fingers. I don't want tons of highlighter, I just want when I hit an angle you see a little bit of glow, but nothing too much. I'm just adding a little bit of mascara. This is the same mascara I used on the top, the Essence Extreme. Okay, so time to do the lips. I'm gonna go in with Morphe Sugar Pie lip liner. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this Revlon Ultra HD Matte Color in 645 Forever. It's a really nice mauve color. The formula on this lipstick is so comfortable. I'm gonna go in with a darker lip liner. This is Dragun Beauty Lip Liner in 2.0 cc, and I'm gonna add it right in the center of my lips. Just right there. Just for a little definition. Lightening up the center, I went in with MAC's Myth lipstick. I think that's it. So this is the completed look. I love the way this entire look turned out. I love everything about it. It has the perfect amount of glitter and sparkle, and it's just, I think it's just so pretty. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this look, this tutorial, this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.